what is happening in Punjab. So we thought that the Congress has been able to tide over this storm. They also thought this has passed. But that has not happened because you've got hectic meetings still on in Delhi. And you've got Navjot Singh Sidhu who's now tweeting one tweet in favor of AAP, one tweet against AAP. Has he built his bridges again with Captain Amrinder Singh? Or is this a prelude to another shift this time around to the Aam Aadmi Party? Let's quickly put this to a short discussion. We've got Mr. Hardeep Kingra. He's the Chief Media Panelist and Spokesperson of the Punjab Congress. Thank you very much, sir. Ahbab Singh Grewal, Spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party.
Good evening.
You're both interested parties here. I'll begin with you first, Mr. Hardeep. Navjot Singh Sidhu is still combative. He's still aggressive. I don't think that a reconciliation is something that is on his mind right now. So at a time like this, these hectic meetings that took place in the national capital, what precious little have they done?
No, the basic question here is that Sidhu is a member of the Indian National Congress and is a sitting MLA from the Congress party. And let me say one thing, that what he has tweeted is that our opposition, so the catchword is our opposition. So he presently identifies himself very strongly with the Congress and he says that our opposition supports my view. Now let me tell you one thing, if there is a view 2 and 2 makes 4, view of everybody will be same, because if some party, political party, be it Akali Dal, be it Congress, be it Aam Aadmi Party, says that they are pro-Punjab, I am very sure Sidhu will say that yes, he loves that people are saying that they are pro-Punjab. So people should not read it beyond that.
Sure.
But the Aam Aadmi Party is doing, Aam Aadmi Party is trying to grab the small twigs in a running, water, or you can say in a flooded situation. They want to catch a thread of, a stick of grass in order to hold in Punjab, where they don't have anything, because they have been very badly exposed in the past. I was a part of it at that time. If you remember, Jagbani gave a full-page headline that Kingra requested Sidhu never to join AAP. I am very sure the party stands there. It is a one-man show. AAP could not keep in its flock very big stalwarts like Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, Gandhi.
So how will they be able to manage a Sidhu? Okay, I think that's an important point.
This is a very simple thing.
Mr. Grewal, how would you respond? How would you respond, Mr. Grewal? Is this, what Navjot Singh Sidhu did today, that he put out a tweet in which two of your tall leaders, Bhagwant Mann as well as Sanjay Singh, he showed their quotes. This is from 5 years ago, where they were saying that it's fantastic, what Sidhu has done is great, he has got Punjab in his heart, he's dead honest, he's great. And Bhagwant Mann also said that if he wants to join, I'll be more than happy to work with him in the Aam Aadmi Party. Does that offer stand even now, Mr. Grewal?
Let me just give you the context. Mr. Sidhu tweeted after Mr. Bhagwant Mann asked him that, Mr. Sidhu, if you agree with all that we say about what is wrong with Punjab today, what the Congress has been doing for the past 4.5 years, please tweet. And he did that. That vindicates our stand in the sense that what we have been saying, that Punjab is going over the top in corruption. There is mafia everywhere, and the power sector, there is a quid pro quo going on in Punjab everywhere. So basically where the Aam Aadmi Party stands is that Mr. Sidhu has said what the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying for the past 4.5 years, and that vindicates our stand.
So you're saying that he is naturally aligned to what you're saying?
No, he vindicates what we have been saying for the past 4.5 years.
Will he be welcome in your party?
Has he said so? Has he said that he wants to join up? If he says that, we'll think about it then. That's a hypothetical question.
No, but Mr. Mann welcomed him with open arms 5 years ago.
Well, Mr. Bhagwant Mann is our leader, and if he says so, he is being very magnanimous. As long as Mr. Sidhu doesn't say it very explicitly that he wants to leave the Congress, that the den of corruption that he's been screaming against he's had enough of it. So
you're saying that as of this moment, Navjot Singh Sidhu is saying the exact same things which you are highlighting. He, on the other hand, says that he picks up these issues, people's issues, and you follow.
Look, you know what? As long as the issues of Punjab are picked up, we are okay with everything or anything that anybody says. We are okay with if he claims that.
Hardeep ji, I want to come to you. What was then the need to have this crucial Delhi meeting if all was done? We were told that this big committee which was formed in Delhi has been able to submit its report, all's well, captain is happy, Sidhu happy, formula done. And then again you have the meeting between Prashant Kishore and Rahul Gandhi.
Sanket, let me tell you one thing that look at the other parties. Can anybody dare to say this type of things in BJP and will still remain in BJP? What happened to Anil Joshi? Can anybody talk like Mr. Sidhu in Aam Aadmi Party? What happened to Kumar Vishwas? What happened to other people like him, Ashutosh and all that? So you can say that Congress is still maintaining a status which is intra-party democracy. People have freedom in Congress to express their views. And of course, the view could differ with the people presently holding some positions in Congress. And that view is not discarded all of a, with a drop of a hat.
Sure, Mr. Grewal, would you like to respond? The Congress calls this intra-party democracy.
Yes. Well, Mr. Kingra has known me for a very long time, and I've been a member of this party since 2014. I was never a politician before that. What I want to ask him is, or I would like to respond by saying that we have had the right to say whatever, but the problem here is with the Congress is that the Gandhis are split. Mrs. Gandhi Senior wants to keep Captain Amrinder Singh, and the kids want Sidhu. Now the problem how is it problematic for Punjab is that while the Gandhis decide what happens between the two of them, Punjab is suffering the worst kind of crisis, electricity crisis.
Mr. Kingra, would you like to respond?
I was unable to hear him.
That's a serious charge. That it's actually a split in the Gandhis, not really a split between Sidhu and Captain.
What he says, I could not hear it, but let me
No, he's saying that there is I'll repeat. He's saying that the split really is not at the level of Mr. Captain Amrinder Singh and Mr. Sidhu. The split is between Sonia Gandhi and the children. Because the children want, Rahul and Priyanka want Sidhu, whereas Mrs. Gandhi wants the captain to continue.
I don't think it has ever happened in Congress party. Let me tell you, Congress party will discuss everything in detail, make up, listen to everyone, all the MLAs listen, Chief Minister listen, Mr. Sidhu listen, and then they will decide on, and the President of the Congress will be the final authority to decide what is going to happen in the party. And let me tell you, once a decision is taken by the President of the Indian National Congress, all the people within the Congress.
And you are pretty sure that all the people, including Mr. Sidhu, will be in agreement?
Yes, of course. I am 100% sure.
Okay, and he will not leave and join another party like he came into your party.
I don't see any possibility of Mr. Sidhu going to Aam Aadmi Party.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Kingra, as well as Mr. Grewal, for joining us. Let's see what happens, because this is not a closed chapter. This war is still on. Good night and goodbye.